Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare easy and tasty 7 cup barfi. It's a simple sweet recipe, can be prepared for any occasion or celebration or during festivals. So before looking into the recipe, please hit the red color subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified on my latest videos. So let's check out this recipe. This recipe requires 7 cup of ingredients. Even beginners in cooking can easily remember this and prepare this very easily. So you will need 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of ghee, 1 cup of grated coconut, pulsed it 2 to 3 times in your mixer, 2 cups of sugar, granulated sugar, and 1 cup of besan or gram flour, 1 cup of cashew or badam powder. So let's look into the recipe. Take a heavy bottom pan and add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Add 1 cup of gram flour or besan. Keep the flame on medium and roast this from all the sides. Make sure you don't burn the gram flour. Roast this until there is change in color and you get a nice aroma. Now the mixture has turned aromatic. The gram flour has roasted well. Now we will add all the ingredients one by one. Add 1 cup of milk and give it a good mix until there are no lumps. Add cashew powder. You can use mixture of cashew badam powder or even MTR badam mix powder. This will give a great taste to 7 cup barfi. Add 1 cup of grated coconut. You can pulse this in your mixer for a couple of times and add it, or you can directly add grated coconut. And add 2 cups of granulated sugar. If you want the sweet to be on a slightly lower side, you can reduce the quantity of the sugar. Add around 2 teaspoons of ghee and mix this well. Make sure all the ingredients are combined well and there shouldn't be any lumps. Keep mixing it on medium flame. Total 1 cup of ghee is required. We will add ghee little at a time and keep stirring it. Now you can see all the ingredients are combined well and sugar has dissolved completely. Add 2 teaspoons of ghee and keep cooking the mixture. You will begin to observe that all the ghee will be absorbed by the mixture. Add another 2 teaspoons of ghee and give it a good mix. Keep stirring it on medium flame. The entire process will take around 30 to 35 minutes. Ghee is again well absorbed, so add ghee again and keep stirring the mixture. You will begin to notice that the mixture will leave the sides of the pan and will become frothy. Remember to keep the flame on medium throughout the process. And if you cook this for a longer time, the barfis will turn out to be hard. So this is the final stage of the barfi. Keep the greased plate ready and you need to transfer this mixture while it is hot. You can see it's leaving the sides of the pan. Turn off the flame and add the remaining amount of ghee that is left over and give it a final mix. So total 1 cup of ghee. I've added. Transfer to a greased plate or on a greased butter paper. You should get layers like this. That's the perfect consistency of 7-cup burfi. Set aside for 10 minutes. After it's slightly cooled down, you can make markings of any desired shape, square or diamond or rectangles. Cut them carefully using a knife. Don't make markings immediately after you transfer. Allow it to cool down a bit. And then you can cut into any desired shape. And now our 7-cup burfis are ready to be served. Have a look at the texture. It's so soft and breaks up so easily. It has a melt in mouth texture. After it's completely cooled down, remove from the butter paper carefully. And 7-cup burfis are ready. You can save this for up to 2 weeks and they'll be good. Make this for any occasion and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section below. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please give a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you.